Space out, mastering English slang. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English slang to unpack the meaning of the phrase, space out. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding slang can be both fun and challenging. So, let's get started and learn about this common expression. The phrase, space out, is an informal term often used to describe a state where someone is not fully aware of their surroundings. It can happen when a person is daydreaming or lost in thought, essentially becoming temporarily distracted from the present moment. It's like their mind is in space. Let's look at how space out is used in daily conversation. 1. I totally spaced out during the meeting and missed the important points. 2. Sorry, can you repeat that? I spaced out for a second. Notice how it's used to apologize for a lapse in attention or to explain a moment of distraction. To use space out correctly, remember that it's a verb phrase. It's casual, so it's best used in informal settings. You can say you space out, spaced out, or are spacing out, depending on the tense. Space out can also have a negative connotation if someone is often inattentive. However, it can be neutral when simply referring to an occasional and harmless daydream. And there you have it. Next time you find yourself or someone else not paying attention, you'll know to say they're spacing out. We hope this video clarifies slang for you and adds a fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and don't space out on our next video.